We're going to show you how you actually mix your Menopur injection. So you get your Menopur out of your box, and I'm going to start off just showing you how to mix 1 Menopur to 1 water. You have your 2.5 ml syringe, your large mixing needle, which on this occasion is pink, but they can vary, your smaller injecting needle, which is yellow, and a little plastic bung, which is used for snapping the glass open. Once you have laid out all your equipment, you're going to wash your hands. Wash my hands and I'm ready to prepare my equipment. I recommend that you actually prepare your water first of all, and you'll soon see why. Now be aware that quite often the water will go into the lid part, and it's important that you either give it a little flick or a shake. And for some people, if you've got a nice hard surface, you can just run it along the hard surface and the water will go down. The weakened glass is noted by the dot, and you're going to put the plastic cap over the glass with a dot to the top. When you're happy that that is in place, you snap and the glass will break. Place that down on your clean surface, ready for when you've put your syringe and needle together. Open your syringe at the handle end, being careful not to place that down as that is sterile. Get your large mixing needle, open it, being careful not to touch the end as that is also sterile, and you're going to put the two together with a nice firm twist. Placing the edge of your thumbnail on the end of the needle, prise the cover off. Your water is ready for you to pop the needle into the lowest part and draw the plunger back until you have got all of your saline. You then pick up your Menopur, flick the lid off, place your hands down onto the surface area. You may want to just clear that slightly, because when your arms are down, you're more stable. Put the tip of the needle into the middle of the rubber bung and apply pressure. Now, because it is a vacuum, you'll see that it is already drawing the water in, and the drug will instantly dissolve. Because there is a vacuum, you'll find that it will actually start to draw the drug back, but carefully pull your plunger back so that you retrieve all of that medication. You may have to apply constant pressure on the plunger so that you don't lose any of the medication, and your little container is empty. If you were just injecting 1 Menopur, you then remove the needle by placing it in this part of your bin so that the needle goes below that purple level, and it is removed. You now get your injecting needle. Again, careful not to touch or contaminate. You put these 2 sterile ends together with a nice firm twist. Place your nail at the end of the needle so that it doesn't fall off. And then you need to get rid of any little air bubbles. You can give a shake, you can pull the plunger down slightly and push the plunger so that you see the drug near the top. And you're ready to inject. Any tiny little air bubbles as small as this will not cause you any harm, so don't worry about it. This injection is ready to be administered. Taking a little bit of lower abdominal fat or the very tops of your leg, you're going to go in at a 90-degree angle straight in and just administer your medication. When you have finished the injection, you remove it from your skin, and that whole system will then be placed within your bin along with the vial that's contained the drug, the glass vial that's contained the saline, the bit of plastic that's got the glass lid, anything that is paper or plastic that cannot harm anybody can go in a household bin.